Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making Greek salad. You will need 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 English cucumber, 1/2 of a red onion, 1 cup of Kalamata pitted olives, 1 green bell pepper, 2 Roma tomatoes, 2 avocados, and 1 cup of feta cheese. In a bowl, combine your red wine vinegar and olive oil. Now add the lemon juice, mustard, and garlic. Add the oregano, salt, and pepper, then mix until well combined. Now slice your onion, tomato, cucumber, bell pepper, avocado, and olives, then set them aside. Now to a large bowl, add all your vegetables. Top with the feta cheese, then add the salad dressing and mix well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To